Hi, I'm John, and I like to ski. This year, a couple friends and I decided to go in on a season-long ski rental up in Summit County, Colorado. After a couple weeks of scheduling issues, my friends said, "Don't we know a software developer with nothing better to do than to build a personal reservation system?" And SkiBunks was born. So SkiBunks.club was a relatively straightforward web app. I used AWS to build the whole thing. I used React and S3 on the front end, as well as API Gateway, a couple Lambdas, and DynamoDB on the back end. AWS just makes everything so simple. It's all in the same ecosystem, and it was super straightforward to deploy. Everyone seems to be really happy about it.
So before we did SkiBunks, we had like this very haphazard system that was really difficult to manage because we kind of had like a group text, but not everybody was in the group text, and it was a very disorganized process. With SkiBunks, it's made everything 100 times easier. We know every time who's gonna be there, who's not, and we have an exact idea of how many people we can have up to get guest speaks. So for us, it's great. I love it. I'd never go back. It's exactly what I want to use in the future.
It was the most seamless experience I've ever had from a reservation perspective. You could easily say whether you're in or out for the weekend, you could send it to your guests, and it was just really easy to know, how many spots do we have left, what is the cabin situation going to look like. It was amazing.
So that's it for SkiBunks. It was a relatively straightforward app to create. We didn't need a whole lot, especially from an infrastructure point of view. Nobody who looks at the code is going to be super impressed by it, but it solved our need. It did exactly what we needed to for the short season we had up here. So we're calling that a win, and I'll see you guys for the next project. See ya.